Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Merry Christmas. Today we're gonna be doing cookies, winter break cookies with little snowflakes. If you don't know how it's like, what am I talking about, then please keep on watching. Just keep on watching.
Met her in the club, all the ballers showing up. Can you party with a thug? I'm just trying to show you love.
On this look, so we're just gonna be using one palette, which is the Jhoneel Morphe palette, and we're just gonna be using two colors. It's an easy look, easy, fast. Sorry for the background. My dad is cutting the yards, We're just gonna be using these two, this color and this color. Actually, forget it. We're using two palettes because I noticed that I need one more, and we're using the Take Me Back to Brazil, and we're gonna be using this one and this one, those two. I don't know if y'all can see that, but so first we're gonna prime our eyes as usual. That's what we always do, Yeah. I hope the camera's on. 1, 2, 1, 2. Hi guys, I should do a SMR, right? Well, no, not with those noises. No. Anyways, back to the thingy. Alright, first we're gonna prime our eyes using, you already know, my Maybelline. But alright, let's start. And we're using our fingers. Just tapping on that. Making it crazy. We're not working like today. Why today? The first color that we're gonna be going in, we're using this brush and going in with this light blue for our base. We're gonna be applying this on our crease, just on our crease, building it up. But yeah, okay, after that you're done putting that in on the crease, on the crease and building it up, we're gonna be going in with this brush, eye crease brush. On the other one, it was by Maybelline, I think. Yeah, I stole it from my mom. But anyways, we're gonna be going in with the darker one, like tap 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 tap, and we're just gonna be doing that, but not like way too up. Like, we want the blue, so we're gonna add it. Just look. And then, ooh, this is my favorite color. Why is everybody making noise today? Okay, now that it's clean, we're gonna be blending it, same thing, putting it, but not all the way up, so y'all can see the trans. Just look what I'm doing. And you're gonna be building it up. Okay, now that we're done, with the Jhoneel. Now this is the last main part. We're gonna be going in with this color and with this small brush. Applying that same thing in our crease, but not this time. We're just keeping it on our crease and not blending it all the way. So same step, but we're making this dark because we want this color to be popped. I would be so mad if the camera wasn't even recording. But besides the point, we're using this brush by e.l.f. It's a fluffy eye blender brush, to blend all these hoes. I'm just kidding, to blend the colors. Yeah, we start. Now that we're done blending, we are cutting our crease using our concealer and using a small brush. This is how I'm gonna cut it, alright? There you go. We're doing the other eye off camera because this is hard. It really isn't, but I have to be concentrated. Now that we're back, I did some changes, guys. Okay, to make it darker, because it was looking the same, to be honest, so I added black in this color and then with this brush by Ulta, and I just mixed it in my hand like that, and then I added it on the crease and then blended it together. That's when I cut my crease, and then right when I cut it, I cleaned it with my saliva.
That's disgusting.
Okay, we're gonna, well, I'm gonna be going in with the L'Oreal.
Today, Junior?
Okay, actually this doesn't work. You have to like hit it all the time. That's what we're gonna do. First, we're gonna start with our snowflakes. And I'm gonna try to add all the liquid in here.
Oh, wow. Christmas,
Okay, now that we're done with that, I'm gonna do, well, yeah, I'm gonna be doing that, the other eye off camera, because you see how long it took? You don't want that. Now that we're back and we're done with the other eye, as y'all can see, it actually turned out pretty good. Okay, first what we're gonna do, we're gonna start from the corner and line it. Just follow it like that. And all we're gonna do is bring it down just like ice, you know? Now to our face. We're gonna be priming our face with e.l.f. Luminescent Face Primer. I bought a new one, to be honest. Well, my sister did. You know, I just use it. We're adding our eyelashes. The lashes I'm gonna be using is by Miss Lashes. This one is M121 favorite lashes. And there you have it. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna do my makeup off camera and I'm gonna let y'all know how the whole face turns out. Be right back. So this is the final look. As y'all can see the little highlight popping. Like and subscribe and follow all my social medias. They're gonna be down the link down the description bar. And follow my brother too, because he's the one that edits this, not me. Don't be thinking I'm good or whatever. But yes, follow us on our social media. They'll both be linked down below. See you guys on my next video. Love y'all.